Welcome to my channel, and I will take you through this practical session about spreadsheets. So the table below shows the admission numbers of 5 students and their scores in 6 subjects in a mock examination. So the first question is, enter the above data into a worksheet and save the file as mock results 1. So create a spreadsheet file, right click and new here. Call it mock. It is a mock results 1. Open it and enter the data as shown. So here we are supposed to enter the data. We have ADM.
To use a formula to calculate the total score for the student and the mean score. Therefore, this is how you do it. The formula for total score is equals to C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2 plus G2 plus H2. You get 393. Average will be is equals this range here. No, the average will be is equals to bracket. You can say is equals to this total divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. You get 65.5. So that is what is required in question B.
Use a function to obtain the mean for each subject. Here the keyword is function, not a formula now. So the function to obtain mean for each subject, you can just write here mean per subject. Here you say is equals to average this range. Enter. So English has got 62.6 and history has got 72.8.
Is about a student is awarded a pass if their mean score is greater than 60 or more. Use a function to determine the number of students who are awarded pass. Student with pass. So it means we shall count this student and also this one and this one. 4 of them. So here you can just write students awarded pass. Then you can increase this size. Okay. Student awarded pass. So here is equals to count if. Is equals to count if. Then select the range. Then comma. Then greater than or equal to 60. You should get 4. And this is true. Count if J2 to J6 greater than 60. Format the worksheet as follows. Outline and inside border single line. Let us deal with that first. So I'll select all of them here. Here to format, we go to home tab, then under cells click format, then format cells. And to apply borders, click here border. Here is outline, inline. Then the type of line should be single border, single line. Then okay. The next thing required is subject heading, align 90. So subject headings, we have English and even up to there. Again, go again to format, format cells, go to alignment and select 90 degrees here. Just by 90 degrees. This is what we are required to do. Then next we are told merge cells above all subjects so that the text subject appear above them. So here we are supposed to be having another row and merge them above here. So we are told merge the cell above all subjects headings so that the text subject appear above them. So we are supposed to merge is from here up to here, then merge, add as text like subject here. Then next is mean score 1 decimal place. Mean score here it is should be 1 decimal place. Go to format again, cells, it's a number here, decimal places 1. Okay, so generally you have seen if you want to format a worksheet, every formatting feature is found in this tab here, home tab under the format command. So this is what was required for question E. Using a function, determine the lowest and highest score for each subject. Therefore again we're gonna add another one here, lowest score and highest score. So for lowest score we're gonna use a is equals to mean into bracket this range. That is what we are required to do. Then autofill. So here we are going to get the lowest performance in each subject, and for highest you say is equals to max into bracket again the range. Autofill 77 for English and for history is 80. So that's what is required to be done in question F. Copy the contents of the worksheet to a new workbook and insert a blank column after every subject. This is what you are required to do. Copy into a new. This is it. So you are supposed to copy the contents of the worksheet to a new workbook. So this is the copy. Then we are supposed to create a new workbook and paste it there. Then what are you told to do? Label the new column as ink G. Okay, insert new columns again in our new workbook. If it's about English, insert them here. If it's about mathematics, insert it next. If it's about biology, insert a new column. Chemistry, new one. Physics, for physics, a new one. And for history, a new column. So this one should be ink G, math G, bio G, chem G, physics G, is 2 G. File names ink G, math G, bio G, chem G, physics G. So this one should be Fig G. Okay, the next thing I'm supposed to do is okay, let me close this one. We are done with this. So the next thing you're supposed to do with the question is to use if function to compute the grades. Therefore, and in certain columns you're supposed to insert grade, whereby if grade is greater than 75 it is an A, 60 to 75 is a B, 50 to 60 C, 45 to 60 to 50 D, and score below 45 is an E. Therefore this is how you do it. So just click here, and then the new formula is equals to if which cell is this, C3 is greater than 75, then that one can be termed as a, okay, this one can be termed as A, comma, if cell again C3 is greater than, is it greater than? Yes, greater than or equal, greater than or equal to 60, equal to 60, Then this one can be termed as B, comma, if C3, if C3 is greater than or equal to 50, that one can be termed as C, comma, if again C3 is greater than or equal to 45, then this one can be termed as a D, comma, else can be termed as an E, else can be termed as an E. Okay, comma, can just write again if C3 is less than 45, comma, this one can be used as can be termed as E, so put an E there, then close with the number of ifs. Ifs are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. So you can see 77 is an A, and autofill this one there. Copy the formula and paste it there. Okay, copy and paste it here, Control plus V, paste it here again, Control plus V, paste it here again, Control plus V, paste it again here, Control plus V, and also here V. Then next you are done with that. Hide all the columns containing score values and save the worksheet as mock results to hiding. So containing the results like this one, so select all of it, then after selecting all of it, again this one, that one again, I am holding Control key while selecting. I shall release the Control key once I'm done with selection. Then what else are we supposed to do here? Score values, and we're supposed to hide them now. So going to format, and is it hiding? It's not there. Okay, you can right click on it and hide. So that's what you're supposed to do here, and save as mock results too. So go to File and Save As, the desktop. I'll call it mock result 2. Exactly. Requirements of H for a bar chart to compare students' mean score and label the chart accordingly. So student mean score, therefore it means we are going to select the name, holding Control key, select all the names just like this, and also that. Okay, all students, again select the mean scores, and even this title. Then after that, we're supposed to insert a column, a bar chart. So go to Insert. Here it is this is a column. Here is the bar chart. Here is the bar chart, and we have seen it, mean score and the names. We can also click the addition sign and add something we call axis. Like this one, let it be called the mean score, and this key, okay, this y-axis is can call it names. And to enhance its appearance, you can select it and go to Format. It's selected, go Format, Yes, here, just double click it and select one of them like that one. So you'll have done question I. So what follows is question J. That's about printing the worksheet and the bar chart. I'll show you how. You're supposed to print the two worksheets and the bar chart. Therefore, go back to the, okay, close this one and open the first worksheet. Here is the first one, whereby you're supposed to print it. So just go to File and Print. Here we will be having print option, print the active sheets. Yes, it is only this one, active sheets. Then select the type of printer here. Your printer will appear here. Then after that you can print. It will appear as a hard copy, but for mine, because I haven't printed, it will be a soft copy. And I'll call it maybe mock. It will be a soft copy here. So again, you're supposed to print the second mock results workbook. Therefore, again, go to Ctrl+P to print. Options, print the selection, not selected, active sheets. It's only this one which will be printed. Do you have any other one? Okay, we need to select the chart first, not the chart there. Make a selection like that. Then after that, go to print. Now you can print the selection. This is what will appear, the selection only. So again, you can also select the printer here and the print. This one I'll call it mock 2. I'll call it mock 2. If you have a print, it will be a hard copy. And lastly, select the chart and go to print again. Print again, and here it is, selected chart only, print, and call it maybe chart. I'll call it chart. For yours, you don't need to rename them because you are printing hard copy. So that's how you do that question. We are done with question 1 up to last question. Here are the outcomes.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not yet. Goodbye.